Animal extinction, a crisis we're causing. Right now, species are going extinct faster than at any point in human history. Scientists believe we are living through a sixth mass extinction, and this time it's caused by us. But why does this matter, and how does it affect us? Animal extinction happens when a species completely disappears from Earth. According to the World Wildlife Fund, wildlife populations have dropped by nearly 70% since 1970. This isn't just about animals, it affects ecosystems and even human survival. There are several major causes of extinction, and most are linked to human activity. The biggest is habitat destruction. Forests are cut down, oceans are polluted, and animals lose the environments they need to survive. Climate change is another major factor. Rising temperatures make it difficult for species to adapt, especially in fragile ecosystems. Pollution and overhunting also play a role. Plastic waste, chemicals, and excessive hunting or fishing push species closer to extinction. One well-known example is the dodo. The dodo was a large flightless pigeon that lived on the island of Mauritius. It was calm, ground-living, and had no natural predators, so never learned to be afraid. Because of that, it was actually described as friendly and curious around humans when first encountered. When humans arrived in the 1600s, the trust became its biggest weakness. Sailors hunted the dodo, and the animals they brought with them, like rats and pigs, destroyed its nest and ate its eggs. Since the dodo couldn't fly or escape danger, its population dropped incredibly fast. In less than 100 years, the dodo was completely gone. Today, almost nothing remains of them, but in a museum in Oxford, there is still a preserved dodo head, one of the only physical reminders that they ever existed. It's kind of hard to ignore how tragic that is. An animal that never learned fear didn't stand a chance once humans showed up. Today, many species are facing similar threats. Animals like tigers, sea turtles, and polar bears are all at risk due to human activity. Scientists are even exploring a way to bring back extinct species like the direwolf. While they haven't been revived, research into their DNA shows how far science has come and raises questions about whether we should try to reverse extinction. Extinction doesn't just affect one species, it affects entire ecosystems. When one species disappears, it can disrupt the food chain and cause other species to decline. Over time, this can lead to ecosystem collapse. For humans, this matters too. We rely on ecosystems for food, medicine, clean air, and water. Losing biodiversity makes the planet less stable and harder to live on. There are ways we can help prevent extinction. Organizations like the World Wildlife Fund work to protect habitats and endangered species. On an individual level, we can reduce pollution and waste, support conservation efforts, and raise awareness. Animal extinction is no longer just a natural process, it's something humans are accelerating. Understanding this issue shows how connected we are to the environment. If we don't act now, more species will disappear, and we'll be the ones facing the consequences.